Okay.
Yeah.
And go ahead and look at me when you answer.
Okay.
All right. What's your name and the name of your business?
So my name is Anita Diaz, and I'm a certified doula.
Perfect. Oh, nice. And what did you learn today that you feel you can immediately apply?
That even if you have a service, you can really make the best out of it in social media, and you can attract attention by using the artificial intelligence that he recommended. I was like, I had goosebumps when he read what he created for my service.
Beautiful. And what would you say, what did you think of the whole atmosphere and your experience in your own words?
Well, I felt at home because I was born in advertising. I've been in advertising all my life, and I love to be among creative people, copywriters and filmmakers. So, and then to be in this environment with people that have businesses and they're interested in creating more attention for their business, that's always awesome. I love it.
Very nice. Thank you. And do you think that other people could benefit from the workshop?
Absolutely. I'm thinking I want to recommend, the seminars more, and because they're short and to the point, and then you get all the benefit. Like, they're not boring. Like, he was super efficient with the information that he was offering, and I didn't even have to take notes because they're just things that are easy to remember. And I'm inspired actually to even maybe possibly make a video of my own with my services and then recommend it to other people. And I'm looking forward to the other seminar that he offered.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank
Wonderful.
you for inviting me.
Yeah.